how do we start here?
Okay, so we have all of our ingredients laid out here. Here in this bowl here, we have a cup and a half of almond flour and 3/4 cup of the whole wheat, like I was saying. So we're still doing a majority of almond flour to not give you too much of that, that whole wheat, too hearty, brandy kind of taste. So we have that already measured out there. About 7 tablespoons of milk, 2%, and that's really going to give between the small amount of fat that's in this milk and the natural fat in the almonds, going to complete the whole fat content we need for our pie crust.
One way to kind of cut the fat is to go 2%, but you still get some of the...
Exactly. You still get some of that and some of that feel and then the creaminess in the texture, but without having butter or cream or something like that.
Absolutely.
We have just a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of our monk fruit sugar here.
Okay. Oh, this is the monk fruit sugar.
That's the monk fruit sugar.
Talking about. Okay.
You can see it's already made in a way that it is almost the same as granulated refined sugar.
Right.
But of course. But without, the same negative health impacts.
Totally. Okay.
So you're just going to give a little mix first. You don't want to get any, too big chunks of almond flour or whole wheat. You can also sift, but we're going to go in and mix it pretty well because it's not a crust with a refined flour. You don't have to worry as much about over mixing it. So we put that salt in, get that well incorporated, as well as the monk fruit sugar. So we're going to start by adding most of this, and you can do just about it all at one time. And we're going to see, and you can see from the almond flour, the texture that
comes together really quickly.
So we're just going to mix this until it comes together, and you're going to give it a little test and get in there with your hands. And you just want to see that it starts to form.
Like a dough.
Like a dough.
Incredible.
And the almonds are going to start to hydrate, the almonds and the flour, and some of that fat is going to start to come out, and that's what's helping us mix this dough together to get this kind of consistency just from almond flour, which you would think, ground up almonds, I'm going to be able to make a substantial moist pie dough out of, but I'm going to collect all the rest of it. Okay.
And now you have a nice, healthy dough without all the extras.
Exactly. Ready to make your pie. So once you have your ready to go pie dough, make sure it's nice and mixed together here. And you can even see the fats from the almonds coming out naturally. That's also going to help coat your pan well. You can always wipe it down with a little bit of something just to be sure it doesn't stick, but the almonds really aid in that process.
And again, because of that you don't have to use butter.
Exactly.
No butter.
So you're going to help yourself out by just flattening out a little bit to start. And your 2 pieces of parchment. And roll away. Now, because it is almond flour and there's not a very large gluten formation with just a little bit of wheat flour inside, you are going to get some cracks in this and that, and you just have to just play with it. I normally flop back and forth between that, so you can flatten it back out. And so once your pie crust is about, let's say, a foot, 12 inches in diameter, you can go ahead and transfer it to your tart or pie tin, whatever you're using. And this recipe is going to make almost 2 pie crusts. So we're going to roll like this to give ourselves a little bit of extra room and cut off the outside and all of that. Transfer it just like this. Easy cleanup, and normally I put all the rest of the crumbs back in here to make your next pie. So then you're just going to kind of gradually shimmy that in here. You can also use a little paring knife. With these nonstick pans, you don't want to risk either cutting off any of that little Teflon T-foul into your pie crust. So I like to just rip it off and then I'll mold it. All right, so we're going to start here on medium to high heat with about 2 pints of blueberries. We're using Driscoll's organic sweetest batch, and we are looking for this pie because we're not using a lot of added sugar. And you're going to start off by cooking your blueberries. You're going to add about 2 tablespoons of your monk fruit sugar. And you're just going to let that cook down and cook down. The blueberries are just going to start to break up. They're going to change in color. And and you're just going to cook them until they reduce probably by about a third.
No water.
No water for now. You're just going to let them naturally cook in their own juices. And then if you feel that they are a little too liquid or has not cooked down enough, you can touch up with a little bit of cornstarch slurry just to
Thicken it.
get that together. But you only need, half a tablespoon, something like that, with a little water.
Okay.
So
that takes time. And then really that becomes your puree. That's the contents of your pie.
Exactly. So you bake the tart for about 10-15 minutes until it gets that nice brown color. You're going to par bake that. Finish your puree, and once that's reached a good consistency, it's always going to be runnier than you think because it's still very hot. You're going to pour into your pie crust, back into the oven for between 5 and 10 minutes, just to let that all meld together and marry together, and you're done.
Are you telling me that the only ingredients in this pie, in terms of the filling, are blueberries and that sugar substitute? That's it.
That's all.
Unbelievable.
Just two, not 5. We got some spares.
Just 2. That's incredible. And it's completely healthy.
I mean, I think as close as if you were told, I'm gonna go to lunch today at the, wherever, at the diner or this place, whatever, I'm gonna get a slice of pecan pie or of when I was a kid, I loved banana cream pie. I had an aunt who made that all the time. If you put this pie next to one of those pies, I mean, it's just like a world of difference in terms of nutrition. Sure. One, it has those healthy things in it that are benefiting you, and without those huge, negative things that are going to hurt you, like you'd have in a traditional pie, like loads of sugar and fat and all those things.
Amazing. I'm just so excited about this. This is going to be a staple in our house now.
So if you feel like you want to add a ton of blueberries, you don't have time to cook it down completely, a little bit of cornstarch, this is not gonna hurt you. So we have just a little slurry of some cornstarch and water. I'm gonna put that over our blueberries. And now you're really just gonna let time be your friend and cook that down. Let it cook and cook and cook. You're already gonna see, because of the pH of the blueberries and the cornstarch, that it started to change color, and it will do that.
I imagine you could put like a zest of orange in
there. You can do a lemon zest, orange,
a
little lemon juice. That will change this. It'll become a little bit pinker. That's gonna change the pH of your blueberries.
Or even different fruits.
You
could do strawberry or.
It will work with just about anything.
Really amazing. Even apples. You could even throw apples, I guess, to a degree.
You could. I love to do with apples. You can quarter them or six them up into little pieces. Loads of spices like clove and cinnamon and everything, right into the oven.
Okay.
Bake that for like 45 minutes by itself.
Wow.
You can dust with a little bit of cornstarch, the same kind of process as this, just a touch to give you that kind of, syrupy thing you're thinking about.
Right.
And forget about it. Bake it for like an hour or more until they're nice and tender. You're going to leave it on the countertop in its foil still, just to come down to room temperature. And by the time you open it, you're going to have tender, cooked, syrupy apples. And then you're going to dump it into a pie crust just like this.
Wow.
Even it out. Cover it with some whatever you want. If you want some healthy nuts, a nut crumble with maybe a little bit of toasted oats, something like that. And boom, ready to go.
I love that. So is an apple pie baked outside the crust?
It also gives, I think, the at-home cook or chef more room for error too, because if you mess up your pie crust, you didn't mess up your whole pie already.
Correct.
You can still recover and fix it, or I forgot about it. Well, my whole pie didn't burn.
Yes.
I can fix the crust, and then I can keep going.
So good, so good.